Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Deans, Dean of Humanity and Social Sciences, Directors, Head of the Departments, dear guests, faculty members, and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I congratulate Department of Media Studies for organizing the Media Fest 2023. This is a testament of Bahri University's commitment to foster outcome-based education and provide environment and opportunity to the students to showcase their acquired skills and talent. Dear students, I would like to congratulate and acknowledge your potential, which was evident from a very short glimpse of the entire domain of about 700 projects, if I am correct. It is a demonstration of your incredible dedication, devotion, and hard work. This Media Fest not only provides you with an opportunity to showcase your work, but also serves as a stepping stone towards future endeavors. Bahri University always tries to build the best academic and industrial link, but I'm sure there are challenges and it may not be as good as it is desired. But this event is yet another chance to connect with industry professionals, receive feedback from experts of your domain, and form meaningful connections that may pave the way for exciting opportunities in the world of media and art. I invite each and every one of you to make the best use of university's resources, facilities, and mentorship. Embrace challenges, seek inspirations, and continue to push the boundary of your skill. Whether you choose to pursue a career in media or take your skills to other fields, the experiences gained from the Media Fest will undoubtedly shape your future path. Dear students, there was a seminar just 2 days back for some other department, but there was a pertinent lesson to learn for all of us. There was an alumni from Bahri University, about a decade or so old, who asked the question that when we were studying in Bahri University, and when we went to the field, we found no link. The challenges we found in the industry, in the field, were not taught in the Bahri universities. And there was a panel of about 5 very renowned speakers and people from the industry, and almost all of them took on this question. And the gist of their answer was that, the curriculum does not fulfill the exact requirement of the field. You will not face the challenges which are taught in Bahri University. The world in general and the media in particular is very dynamic. It's changing very fast. It is changing more than our imaginations. The entire world is actually changing very fast. And the challenges that you will face in the field, you may not have studied in your curriculum. But remember that your curriculum, your discourses, professional and academic discourses here, they prepare you for the field. They prepare you in general where you are capable to handle all the challenges. So there are challenges ahead. But remember, these challenges have a lot of opportunities. And only those who remain connected and aware and prepared for the changes, the technology, and especially remember the AI and those who devote themselves to their profession and work will be successful. And remember, your success in the field will be directly proportional to the extent of your acquired skill and your application of your potential to the field. I extend my deepest appreciation to the organizers, faculty members, and students who have worked tirelessly to make this event possible. Your dedication and support have allowed us to witness the remarkable talent of our students and further reaffirm the university's commitment to foster a creative environment. I am also thankful to all the sponsors. With the support of your organizations, we have been able to hold this event in a very befitting manner. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.